Hello students, myself Sarabjit Kaur, and as you all know that I teach English 2 in class 7th standard. So today we will start a new chapter, that is a grain as big as hen's egg, chapter number 6, page number 35. So this story is written by Leo Tolstoy in 1886, and this is a story of production of grain, that what is the quality of grain nowadays and what was the quality in the past. This is the main theme of the story. So one day when some children were playing on a ravine is a deep narrow valley, they found a thing shaped like a grain of corn. They found a grain, and suddenly one passenger was passing from there, and that passenger bought that grain of corn for a penny from those children and gave that one to the king, because it was an interesting object for him. He was excited that if the king will get that one and he will give the gifts to that person, that is why he gave that thing to the king. The king called all the wise men after getting that one grain of corn. The king called all the wise men and told them to find it, that which object it is, but they were unable to understand. The wise men pondered and could not make head or tail of it. Not make head or tail of it, that means not understand. They were unable to understand that which object it was. So suddenly they saw that that object was laying on a windowsill, and a hen flew and pecked on it. The hen made a hole in it with the beak, and they found it that it is a grain. So now the question is that from where did this grain produced, because it was a very big. Now the king want to know where it is producing and when it was produced. The king was surprised, and he told to the landman to find it there. The landman found everything in the books, and they were unable to give the answer. So then perhaps some of them may have heard from their father when and where grain grew to such a size. So they told the king that they should ask from the farmers, from their fathers. So the king gave orders that a very old peasant should brought from before him. Now the very old peasant from that locality called and asked the question. That person was very old and bent, ashy, pale and toothless. He has no tooth, and he was very pale, looking very pale. He was old one and bent. He was hardly walking with the two crutches. Now the king showed him grain, but the old man could hardly see it. Now the king showed him the grain, that can you recognize it? That person told him that he have not seen this type of grain in his lifetime, and he has not bought any time. He has not sowed it. He doesn't know. That person was deaf also. He can hardly understand. He can hardly walk, and he can hardly hear also. So afterwards he told them that they should ask from his father. Maybe that person should know about this thing. Now the father was called. His father, that person who was called before it, his father was called. He came with one crutch. Before it the person came with two crutches. Now his father came with one crutch. That means he is more healthier than him. The king showed him the grain, and old peasant who was still able to see, his observing power is better than him. Now the king asked him that can you recognize this object? He also told him that as to buy, I never bought any for in any my money, my time money was not yet in used. So he told that in his time they do not use money, so they have not. He also doesn't know about this thing. If there is a need of grain, they always share with each other. They do not use do the farming for the earning purpose, and he doesn't know this thing, that which object it is. He also told them that they should ask from his father. If there will be any doubt, ask.